important, surrounded by a pretty high degree of secrecy.
Bet you can't clone me, Kobe.
I bet you I can. Challenge is accepted. To clone you, I had to figure out exactly where you were. I saw a video of you licking what looked like a massive bomb, but after a closer look and some research, I realized it wasn't just a regular bomb. It was a B-53 atomic nuclear bomb, one of the most powerful nuclear weapons ever made. Once I confirmed the model, I traced it to its final resting place, the Atomic Testing Museum in Las Vegas, Nevada. So, I grabbed my cloning kit, boarded a 4-hour flight, and headed straight to Vegas. The moment I landed, I went directly to the museum. After 20 minutes of walking past missile casings, radiation suits, and warhead replicas, I finally saw it. The real thing, the B-53. I examined the surface and edges of the bomb closely and found the exact spot you licked. I swabbed your DNA directly off the B-53 atomic bomb, and I headed straight at the museum, straight to the airport to board my 3 hours flight back with your DNA in my hand straight to my laboratory. First, I treated the swab with red lysis solution to break apart the contaminated particles and free the DNA. I spun the sample in a centrifuge to isolate the usable material. Then, under the microscope, I confirmed the DNA strands were intact. Next, I used the DNA thermal chamber to amplify the strands. With intense heat cycling, the atomic residue was burned off and the DNA began replicating. I added nutrient drops to support growth and connected the chamber to a genetic scanner for live tracking. To stabilize the environment, I transferred the sample into a solution with cytochrome 437. Then, I placed the mix on a magnetic stirrer to keep it in motion while the scanner monitored structure formation. After several hours, the cells began forming. The microscope confirmed growth. This is you at 32 weeks old, and soon I'll have an atomic bomb liquor for myself.